we'll continue with more reactions of alcohols. मुलांनो, some points I'll tell you. तुम्हाला ना बोर्डावरचं बारीक वाटत असेल तर मी आज मोठं लिहिलंय, so that you see it clearly. Well, we'll continue the reaction of alcohols. Point number 1, students, alcoholचं पुढचं reaction काय? Alcohols react with hydrogen halides. That is hydrogen iodide, hydrogen bromide, hydrogen chloride. Alcohols react with hydrogen halides to form alkyl halides. To form what? To form alkyl halides. The reactivity of primary alcohols is lesser or weaker, which require a catalyst. That is, for primary alcohols are CH2OH. Primary alcohols, we require a catalyst, that is anhydrous zinc chloride. ठीक है? But for secondary alcohols, the reaction is a bit faster. Tertiary alcohols rapidly react with these hydrogen halides to form rapidly alkyl halides. I repeat, alcohols react with hydrogen halides. Students, reactivity with hydrogen halides, that is hydrogen iodide, hydrogen bromide, hydrogen chloride. Alcohols react with hydrogen halides to form alkyl halides. The reactivity of alcohols is that primary alcohols require a catalyst, that is zinc chloride. The reaction of secondary alcohols with hydrogen halide is a bit faster, and the reaction of tertiary alcohols with hydrogen halides is still faster. Okay, so this is the reactivity of alcohols with hydrogen halides. Next, reaction with phosphorus trihalide or phosphorus pentahalide. Alcohols react with phosphorus trihalides. Halide may be chloride, bromide, anything. So alcohols react with phosphorus trihalides or phosphorus pentahalides to form alkyl halides again. To form what? To form alkyl halides. So alcohols react with phosphorus trihalides, phosphorus pentahalides to form alkyl halides also. Here the reaction is not required to be shown, because it's already shown in your 11th standard. Next, alcohols when treated with primary, secondary, tertiary, when treated with, I'll write a general word here, alcohol, when treated with concentrated sulfuric acid or phosphoric acid or alumina, they undergo, follow the word, dehydration. They undergo dehydration, meaning loss of water molecule. They undergo dehydration to form an alkene. To form an alkene and a water molecule. So alcohols react either with concentrated sulfuric acid or phosphoric acid or alumina. Alumina means aluminium oxide. Phosphoric acid or alumina undergo, please follow the word, undergo dehydration. What is the meaning of dehydration? Loss of water. Undergo dehydration to form what? To form alkene. That's it. This is the reaction of alcohols with what? Hydrogen halides to form alkyl halides, phosphorus trichloride halides or pentahalides to form alkyl halides, or reaction of alcohols with either concentrated H2SO4 or phosphoric acid or alumina to form an alkene and water molecule. Are you okay? They undergo dehydration. Dehydration चा अर्थच होता water molecule काढणं. That's it. This is one here. After this, students, we will discuss the treatment of alcohols in the presence of oxidizing agent. नीट आहे का रे? Primary alcohols सेकंडरी अल्कोहोल्स. सेकंडरी म्हणजे दिस इज युअर सेकंडरी अल्कोहोल. स्टुडंट्स एक पॉइंट सांगते, सेकंडरी अल्कोहोल they undergo when they are treated with oxidizing agent such as chromic anhydride CrO3. Secondary alcohols when treated with oxidizing agents such as chromic anhydride, they form a very important compound that is ketone. They form a very important compound that is ketone. This is a secondary alcohol on treated with oxidizing agents like chromic anhydride. Chromic anhydride, they form what? They form ketone. Students, primary alcohols also in the when treated with oxidizing agents like chromic anhydride. हे काय? CrO3 म्हणजे काय? Chromic anhydride form aldehydes. कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड्स तयार होतात, बट बेटर रिझल्ट्स आर ऑब्झर्व्ड. आता प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल घेऊया. We will take primary alcohols. On treating with chromic anhydride, they give aldehyde, no doubt, but a better oxidizing agent is PCC. PCC म्हणजे काय? पायरिडिनियम. P म्हणजे पायरिडिनियम क्रोमाइल chlorochromate. I'll repeat, pyridinium chlorochromate. This is a oxidizing agent in the presence of which primary alcohol undergo oxidation to form carbonyl compound, and that is aldehyde. This is your aldehyde. So primary and secondary alcohol on treating with chromic anhydride give ketones and aldehydes, but better results of primary alcohol, precisely primary alcohols yield better results when treated with pyridinium chlorochromate. Pyridinium chlorochromate, I get what? I get an aldehyde. RCHO लिया नाहीतर असं लिया, it's okay. हाँ, pyridinium chlorochromate. That's it. Students, instead of this special oxidizing agents, if you use normal oxidizing agents, दाखवते तुम्हाला. हा आता प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल घेऊया मुलांनो. You take this primary alcohol RCH2OH. You take a primary alcohol. When it is treated with a normal oxidizing agent, which are the normal oxidizing agents? We use potassium permanganate or potassium dichromate or nitric acid, obviously concentrated nitric acid. So when the primary alcohols are treated with normal oxidizing agents, they are oxidized to aldehydes, which are further oxidized to carboxylic acids with same number of carbon atoms. जितके प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल मध्ये कार्बन ॲटम्स असतात ना, तेवढेच कार्बन ॲटम्स कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड मध्ये असतात. ओके, when primary alcohols are treated with normal oxidizing agents like potassium permanganate, potassium dichromate, concentrated nitric acid, what happens? They are oxidized to aldehydes, which are further converted into carboxylic acid, but with same number of carbon atoms as that of alcohols. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, एक पॉइंट सांगते, इफ यू टेक टर्शरी अल्कोहोल्स, हाँ, इफ यू टेक टर्शरी अल्कोहोल्स, नॉर्मल ऑक्सिडाइजिंग एजेंट्स आर नॉट इनफ. टर्शरी अल्कोहोल्स require stronger oxidizing agents. Tertiary alcohols require what? They require stronger oxidizing agents. ठीक है, stronger oxidizing agent, and in that process the carbon tertiary alcohols ला, हाँ, कार्बन कार्बन बॉन्ड breaks, and tertiary alcohols are undergo dehydration to form an alkene. I'll repeat, tertiary alcohols require a stronger oxidizing agent. When a strong oxidizing agent is used, there occurs breaking of carbon-carbon bond to form alkene. Okay, to form alkene. That is the reaction of tertiary alcohols. Next, last reaction of alcohols. Alcohols, primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. When heated with copper at 523 kelvins, they form primary alcohols, form aldehyde. Secondary alcohols, this is aldehyde here. Primary alcohols form aldehydes. Secondary alcohol form ketone, but tertiary alcohol undergo dehydration. Dehydration means loss of water molecule. Tertiary alcohols undergo dehydration to form an alkene. So, primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols when treated with copper undergo oxidation. Primary alcohols undergo oxidation to form aldehyde. Secondary alcohols undergo oxidation to form ketone. Tertiary alcohols undergo dehydration. Loss of water molecule is called dehydration to form an alkene. That's it. That is the reaction of alcohols. The reaction of alcohols is over. Now we will start with reaction of phenols. Okay. Look on the board clearly. I will use big letters. Now what we are going to discuss is reaction of phenols. Okay. Phenols undergo electrophilic substitution. Easily, the phenolic group is ring activating generally at ortho and para positions. Okay. I repeat, म्हणजे इलेक्ट्रॉनची डेन्सिटी ऑर्थो आणि पॅरा पोझिशन्स कडे जास्त असणार. such that an electrophile म्हणजे जो इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशियंट स्पीशीज असतो तो फिनॉलला अटॅक करू शकतो. सो फिनॉल्स undergo electrophilic substitution reactions more easily. And the OH group of phenol is ring activating particularly at ortho and para positions respectively. That is the phenol here. आता reaction number 1. Phenols. मुलांनो जरी दिसत नसेल तर प्लीज मला सांगायचा. Phenols react with aqueous solution of bromine. React with aqueous solution of bromine. Aqueous solution of bromine to form a very important compound, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tri bromophenol. But here bromine is in aqueous form. Phenols react with aqueous solution of bromine to form 2, 4, 6 tribromophenol. But instead of aqueous solution, if bromine is dipped in more weaker polar solution, if instead of taking bromine dissolved in water, water is highly polar. If you take a less polar solvent, here I have taken water as a solvent, hence I am getting 2 2,4,6 tribromophenol. Instead of water, if I take a less polar solvent like carbon disulfide ले लो, chloroform or carbon tetrachloride, I get a mixture of what? I get a mixture of orthobromophenol and I get a mixture of this is orthobromophenol and para-bromophenol. Okay, this is the reactivity of phenols with bromine dissolved in less polar solvent like carbon disulfide or chloroform or carbon tetrachloride. Are you okay here? This is the reactivity of phenols. So phenols undergo electrophilic substitution reaction more easily than benzene, and the OH group is ring activating particularly at ortho and para positions. करते हैं? That's it. Is it okay? Next, phenol nitration. Nitration. Phenol. React with dilute nitric acid at low temperature to form what? To form orthonitrophenol, a mixture of orthonitrophenol or para-nitrophenol. This is orthonitrophenol. This is para-nitrophenol. Phenol undergo nitration with dilute nitric acid. This is phenol here. Phenol undergo nitration with dilute nitric acid to form orthonitrophenol and para-nitrophenol. With concentrated nitric acid, हे डाइल्यूट होता, हाँ, with concentrated nitric acid at high temperature, they form a mixture of they form a mixture of 2, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 6 tri-nitrophenol, which is commonly called as picric acid. What is it called? Picric acid. That's it. That is the reactivity of phenols here. They react with dilute nitric acid to form a mixture of ortho and para-nitrophenol. They react with concentrated nitric acid at high temperature to form 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, which is also commonly called as picric acid. ठीक है? That's it. एक period अजून लागणार. That will complete alcohols, phenols and ethers. We'll begin with aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid students. ठीक है? Bye for today. Sure.